Hello friends, welcome to Famous Tech. This is Samsung Galaxy M30s smartphone. In this video, we'll learn how you can use assistant menu in your phone Samsung Galaxy M30s. First of all, go to the settings and click on accessibility. Click on interaction and dexterity. Turn on this button assistant menu. This is assistant menu. Here so many options are available. Just you can use it. This is back button. Instead of navigation, you can use the first three icons here. You can also lock your screen using the next option, fourth option, screen off. And this is to control the volume. You can increase or decrease volume here itself. This is screenshot. Just you can take a screenshot. This is to open notification area. Just click here and notification area will be open. This is for pinch zoom. This is to power off or restart or for calling emergency numbers. So in this way you can turn on assistant menu and use it for several purposes. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos. Until then, bye.